Hello guys, today we're gonna read a fun story. Ride the big machines in winter. Who loves the dump trucks, the cranes, the excavators? They're so fun to play with. Have you ever played with those in your childhood? Well, I actually have. They're really fun to play with. So let's read this story where big machines will go in the winter. Let's get into the story. Ride the big machines in winter. I'm going exploring through wild winter weather. How will I do it? Let's go together. I'll drive a snowplow to clear the streets quick. I'll use a salt truck so the roads are less slick. I'll run a snow cannon to build up the hill. I'll race a ski-doo just for the thrill. I'll pilot a hovercraft so the water can flow. I'll drive a snow coach. Up the glacier we go. I'll steer a snowcat to help groom the trails. I'll use a snow spreader to clear off the rails. I'll cruise along the ice road, so slow and so steady. I'll drive a Zamboni machine to get the ice ready. I'll use a de-icer so the planes can take flight. I'll drive a dog sled through a long winter night. Ooh, look at all the huskies. I love huskies. They're so cute and cuddly. My trip safely over. I'll warm up inside. My winter adventure will be such a fun ride. The end. I hope you enjoyed my stories. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now.